One more time. I've done this on the stove range before and poked a hole in plastic, but never nails.
Yeah, I didn't know this was.
He's going to pierce it. Hey, get it hot again, please.
We're getting there.
That was hurting. So tell us about the newfangled one you were asking about.
Well, the other one works a lot better than this one.
Obviously. Guys, I'm sorry. Whew, I'm holding it. I'm holding it in. Now, burn that nail. Get through there next time.
Well, like I said, I don't. The one that with the battery powered, it's super easy.
It just
You
does
just
it.
it heats up super hot, and you just barely touch it, and
Yeah.
you're done.
Okay. Now try it. Did it go?
Not yet.
Ah! Girl, you got little hands, but a big heart. Don't burn yourself. You know those things get hot. It's going to melt your glove, honey.
Yeah, we're good. What other options do we have if this doesn't work?
Yeah. My mama begged my dad to hammer through hers whenever she had it so bad one time. As soon as he did that, and all that pressure came off. I guess I'm a tough old bird, honey, ain't I?
You're doing great.
Okay. Did you get her through there?
No, we're being gentle.
Okay, you're so kind. Oh, God. So I have a broken toe on top of all that. You needed just a little Dremel, honey. You making your own? Ah. Okay, sorry. Oh, God. He's helping me. Okay. Oh.
Wait there. Oh, I think we broke.
Did we get through? Got a little blood.
You do kind of have
Did we have a little blood
big
there?
toenails with it. Yeah, it looks like it.
I think we made it through the.
Yeah.
I think. Oh.
I saw blood
That
there.
must be the broken part. It's not gonna hurt a bit. Ow!
Okay, we're done.